What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Dana here. Welcome to the channel. Hopefully welcome back to the channel. I got a two-part video today. I'm going to show you what sold on eBay, Amazon, and Poshmark. I think there's a Mercari in there, but I might be wrong. Anyways, I'm just going to show you the stuff that sold real quick, and then we are going to do an unboxing of a mystery box that I got from the Bread and Butter group. Before I get too far into it, though, just a reminder, tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I'm going live on Whatnot for the first time ever, doing a plush auction. So if you want to come support the channel, there's a link down below that will lead you to my store there, and it gives you $10 free site credit to spend if you haven't signed up yet. So sign up, use that link, get $10 for free to spend, come support the channel, hang out, have lots of fun. Let's do this. These Crocs sold for $37. Paid $20 for these online. I paid, I think it was like $30 after all the discounts and everything for these online. It's a special Bread and Butter cook on these, so I can't share too much more about it. But these sold for $100 on Poshmark. Paid 50 cents at a yard sale for some Mary Kay foundation. Sold for 18 bucks. Paid $8 for these at Goodwill. They sold for $60. Paid 20 bucks for this on an online clearance deal from Nordstrom's. There's some earmuffs, UGG earmuffs, and they sold for $60 on Poshmark. Arlo, I paid like $8 for this at Lowe's. I sold it for 25 bucks. Long of a short story, I'm gonna go real quick into this. I've been getting emails. I'm on my third warning from Arlo that I'm not allowed to sell their stuff online and please provide invoices and all that. So I'm just ignoring them. I don't care. I've got one more left of these to sell and then they can just go away. But anyways, if you haven't sold Arlo yet, maybe stay away because they're bothering people. So this Afghan book, it's just a cool old vintage Afghan book. 8 bucks. I don't know. I don't know if that was worth it, but it came in a lot of stuff, so I just listed it. I paid $40 for this at Lowe's. It's a backflow preventer. This sold for $275. So great profits there. This little monitor and officer's manual sold for 25 bucks, and I have maybe 50 cents into this from an estate sale. It's I forget what it is. Monitor and officer's manual. It's from it's vintage. It's from like the 30s. Anyways, I sold a Raspberry Pi for 140 bucks on Amazon. This was $65 from that website. Sold another Tesla charger. This one sold for 110 bucks. This was $50 on Tesla.com. Sold a Bearcats hat for 25 bucks. This was $6 at Ross. I sold this Napa hat. This sold for $20. This was 75 cents at a yard sale. And this Xbox actually is my very first sale on Whatnot. I sold this to Harry Tornado. He announced it the other day, so I don't feel bad saying it. But he actually reached out to me and asked me if I could get him one because he wanted to buy one on Whatnot because he had so many site credits, like how I told you guys to use that thing down below and let me get $10 site credit. I get 10 bucks if you sign up, you get 10 bucks. I get 10 bucks, you get 10 bucks. Anyways, that's a pretty good deal, right? Anyways, he has signed up so many people that he had just this massive credit there, and he wanted to buy an Xbox. And he said, can you get one and then sell it to me on Whatnot so I can use my site credits? And I said, sure. So 700 bucks on Whatnot for my very first sale there. Anyways, let me get this stuff packed up. I'm going to speed through that. Then I'm going to blow out the mystery box that I got sent from Bread and Butter. Forgive me. I've had this thing for like 2 months and I have been meaning to do a unboxing video of it, but I've just been so freaking backed up, and then it got buried under some boxes in a death pile. I kind of forgot about it. So anyways, stay tuned. All right, that's all packed up. I'm back with round number 2, which is, I gotta cover my address. It's this mystery box. I've got this big old box. This was sent to me again by the Bread and Butter group. I'll pop it right there. If you're interested in signing up for it, they drop mystery boxes like this every once in a while. There's cooks for like how to get PS5s, hot sneakers, all that kind of stuff. Send me a DM on Instagram. I can give you a referral link that'll help get you in. It is 30 bucks a month for it, but I could tell you it is significantly worth way more than that. So anyways, got my knife. Let's get into it. And sorry guys for taking so long to get to this mystery box. For those of you who knew what was coming, I guess a couple people. Oh yeah, this was unclaimed mail one, so we'll see how much of this I get through. I might have to edit back through it because this has like shipping labels on it and people's addresses. So it's a, well, I don't know how well I can show this. It's a pretty packed box. But let's grab a few and run through it. Just see if we got anything exciting. First box is a dancing, let's see, does it turn on? There's probably no batteries in it. We got a dancing cactus. All right. Let's see, this one's kind of open. This is a Nutcracker Christmas banner, so you can see what that is. We got a power bank. I'll probably just keep that. That is 10,000 milliamp hours. Let's try and get some of the easy ones out of the way. Wireless fast charger. I get a portable wireless speaker. I think these boxes were 50 bucks, something like that. Get some, what is that, the Hulk? These pillowcases? Spider-Man? That's pretty cool. I don't know if these are bags or pillowcases. I think they're pillowcase covers. Let's see, I'm burning Roche Electronics. What is that? Headphones. Some headphones. Let's see. Come on. Yeah! Sorry. Oh man. We got a Blackhawk mag case, 9mm and 40 caliber magazines. Should have got somewhere for my trash. Off to the side it goes. I feel like I'm gonna stab myself with my knife. It's like a jewelry box. There's some gold in there. Doubt it. April 2020, where I celebrated my birthday in quarantine. That's a little bracelet. Let's see. Yeah, it's inscribed April 2020, where I celebrated my birthday in quarantine. Let's see. Emergency battery chargers. One-time use emergency battery chargers times 2. Let's see, there's a big box in here. Leak Smart Hardwire Shutoff System. It's a shutoff for your irrigation. That's probably worth money. We got another pillowcase. What's this one? Superman. Let's see, this is a 400 LED string light kit. Some more headphones, wireless headphones. These ones are brand new sealed. Those other ones have been opened at least. Come on. Kind of disappointed. There was a Vive NFT drop this morning that I was hoping to go for, and I missed it. It was literally like a second and that thing was sold out. This is a keyboard. It's the replacement keys on a keyboard. I'm not going to take it all out of there, but replacement keys on a keyboard. So that sucks. I was really hoping to get that. This is a Wanskin. What is it? What is it? What's in the box? Probably glasses? No? I don't know what it is. Maybe they stole what was actually supposed to be in there. All that's actually in there is this little blue thing. It's like a light that doesn't light up. Okay. I don't know if that's anything or just an empty stolen box. Let's see. Nunel? Not sure how you describe that. Nunel. Sports water. It's got some CO2 cartridges. probably maybe for diving. It's like a little bracelet, wristband, whatever. And it's got the, come on, CO2 cartridges in there. I don't know what that is. If you know what any of the stuff that I say I don't know what it is, let me know down in the comments. This is colorful sunglasses. Can't wear sunglasses because I have prescription lenses. I'd have to get, these are those transitions so they turn dark. That's the glasses right there. Maybe I should give away some of this stuff on my Whatnot auction tonight. You guys think I should give some of this stuff away on the Whatnot auction? Say so down in the comments. What would you like? Another pair of those glasses. I'll show you the side of the box that says it. Another pair of the glasses. I can see just from the side of the box. Another pair of the glasses. These are like wrapped in like lunch bags. Some of these ones, I'm like, I don't know how they made it through the post office. More glasses, different brand. Return to sender, address undeliverable. Come on. What do you think it is? I don't know what's in there. Come on. Get through 3 inches of bubble wrap. They at least protected this one. Come on. It's sharp. It's a pyramid with like a quartz dome inside. Paperweight or something. Come on. Always cut away from yourself, by the way. If I was doing that and I went towards myself with this big old knife, you don't want to do that. We got a smartwatch. Brand new sealed. Again, this was an unclaimed mail mystery box. So what they sent me, they didn't even know what it was. Smartwatch. Just says smartwatch, no brand. All right. This is a, I'm gonna leave it in there, wireless speaker. Actually gonna have to watch me fight with that plastic wrap for that long. I'll probably cut out some of me fighting with the plastic wrap anyways. This is another one of that same wireless speaker. Last thing in the box, we're gonna hope that CVG Ricky in Ohio was sending Anina Cruz something good. It's a bubble mailer inside a bubble mailer. And, drum roll, it is Perfume, Angel by Thierry Mugler perfume. So you guys can see all that there. So anyways, that was the mystery box. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the what sold at the beginning. Hopefully you enjoyed the unboxing mystery box here. At the end, again, check the links down in the description. $10 free if you sign up for Whatnot. 10 free shares of stock if you sign up for Webull using my link down below. That one's really awesome. And then there's some links down there to boxes and stuff like that on Amazon. If you want to help out the channel without buying something, you can just go down through those affiliate links. I feel like I can smell this through the box. I don't know if that's leaked in there or not. Doesn't look wet, but I can smell it. You shouldn't be able to smell that through the box, should you? I don't think you should. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Happy sales. Peace.